Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to make a jumbo size shrimp cocktail. And I'm going to put it in a stemmed margarita glass. And this will serve for 2 people. So I've already got my ingredients set out. So I have my jumbo shrimp here. And then I've got fresh lemon, which I've already cut some wedges here, but it's a fresh lemon. Also, I have some crushed ice, which I will put in the margarita glass, and the shrimp cocktail sauce, which will go in the middle of the stemmed margarita glass. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the chopped ice and I'm going to fill up the margarita glass. Now the shrimp is already thawed out, so you want to thaw your shrimp out 24 hours before you make a shrimp cocktail. So I'm going to put all this ice in here. And the reason you want the ice is to keep the shrimp cocktail cold while it's sitting on the table. So now I'm going to take the shrimp and I'm going to line it around the shrimp cocktail. And there's a lot of shrimp. Again, this is for 2 people to share. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to line up the shrimp around the stemmed margarita glass, because I like this margarita glass because it has a purple stem and it's a big jumbo glass. And then I'm going to take a fresh lemon, which I've already sliced, and I'm going to cut I'm just going to score it across the lemon like this, so I can put the lemon wedge on this side. And then I'm going to take a lemon wedge and put like on the opposite side. So at least there's 2 lemon wedges on the side of the glass, which kind of gives it a decorative look. So you got your 2 lemon wedges here on the side, and then the jumbo shrimp will fill in the empty space. So we'll keep going, and let's see how many shrimp this can manage to hold in this stemmed margarita glass. So it's going across. Let's continue here with the shrimp. Okay, now we're almost completely full with the shrimp. So I think what I'm going to do, because I have this much shrimp left over, we'll just save that for another time. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to move this completely out of the way. And then I'm going to come in here with my shrimp cocktail. Now I do have 2 more wedges of lemon, so I'm gonna score this one again. I'm gonna just score it in the middle, and then I'm gonna break up this shrimp cocktail and put a 3rd lemon there, and then I'm gonna break it up here and put a 4th wedge of lemon. And these are seedless lemons, and sometimes even though they're seedless lemons, they may still have seeds. So here is the shrimp cocktail with the lemons on there. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the shrimp cocktail sauce and I'm put right in the middle of the shrimp cocktail. And now we are finished with the shrimp cocktail. And then I'm going to take a nice napkin that's folded, and then we'll set that on the table with the shrimp cocktail. Isn't that beautiful? So there is how to make a homemade shrimp cocktail in a large jumbo margarita glass. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.